Hello guys, a very warm welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to discuss with you the 100 most important points. So guys, these are the few important points which are important to the NEET of 2020. So guys, starts with John Ray. So he defined genus as well as species, and Carolus Linnaeus, he is the father of taxonomy, as well as he given a binomial nomenclature and wrote the book of Systema Nature as well as Species Planetarium. So guys, ICBN, ICZ, many questions arise from these two directly, like match the column, like that questions arises from this point of view. So three kingdom classification was proposed by Haeckel. So remember, three kingdom classification proposed by Haeckel introduced Protista. So you have to note this point. So five kingdom classification as just proposed by Whittaker, means R.H. Whittaker. So obligate parasite discovered by Ivanovsky. So you have to remember this. And Stanley is the scientist who scientist to crystal virus. So you have viruses are nucleoproteins particles which are covered by protein coat, which is set, the protein coat name is said to be a capsid. So the genetic material in that capsid, the genetic material may be either DNA or RNA. So single standard DNA is nothing but bacteriophage into 174, which is said to be like this. So have a look. Single standard RNA most plant in virus. So you have to remember this. Example to that, tobacco mosaic virus. So retrovirus, which is example for HIV. So HIV causes AIDS. So AIDS is nothing but acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So HIV infects causes the reduction of CD4 Th cells, which is the helper cells. Diagnosis for this HIV or AIDS is ELISA test, which is an enzyme linked immunosorbent assay, and also a Western blot. So bacteriophage, which is a virus infection bacteria discovered by Tort and also Harle. Example to that, T2 bacteriophage. So guys, last one is transduction of this a gene from one bacteria to other, vice versa. So bacteriophage discovered by, you have to remember, Gender and Ledberg. So guys, porins, which is said to be a protein infectious particles, causes the scrappy and mad cow diseases like this. So mycoplasma is said to be a joker of the plant kingdom. So remember this. Archaebacteria are living fossils. So methanogens are obligate anaerobics, so which cannot take oxygen, responsible for methane and production of biogas plant, cellulosic fragment and cattles. So these are the importance of methanogens. So halophils, so remember this, live in the salt rich media, which is said to be a halophils. So thermoacidophils live in a hot sulfur springs, is said to be thermoacidophils. So actinomycetes, which is nothing but a ray fungi and produce antibiotics. So streptomycin, which is obtained from Streptomycin genus. So neomycin, so it is obtained from S. Ferdier. So last one, eubacteria. Cell wall is made up of a peptidoglycan, which is said to be NAG, and NAM is surrounded by a musical player, which is called as capsule, or a loose sheet, which is also called as slime. Mesosomes are found in a bacteria, which is equivalent to the mitochondria, when similar to the mitochondria, which is associated with the plasma membrane, respiration for the respiration. So guys, this is just generally present in the bacteria, which is the functions of mesosomes is nothing but is equivalent to the mitochondria. So this is all about mesosomes. Fungi in bacteria are composed of flagellin protein, while in eukaryotes pleasure made up of tubulin. So remember this point. So plasmoids, which is said to be extra chromosomal ring of DNA, contain non-vital gene such as F factor as well as R factor, so and Cole factor. So this is an important of point to the plasmoid. So plasmid is associated with the nucleates and said to be episomas. So monotrichous is example for that is Pseudomonas vibrio, consists of a single flagella. It is said like that a monotrichous. So peritrichous is said to be E. coli is a rod shaped bacteria with flagella all around. So nitrifying bacteria. What is meant by nitrifying bacteria? So which the food is prepared from this while using the nitrogen compounds. So it is said to be a chemoautotrophic also. So example for that nitrifying bacteria is Nitrobacter as well as nitrosomonas. So nitrosomonas which converts ammonia to nitrate. So nitrobacteria so converts nitrate to nitrite. So this is about nitrobacter. So here are few important causative organisms and diseases. So diseases are tuberculosis, which is caused by a Mycobacterium tuberculosis. So just remember, tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium. So this is about tuberculosis. Leprosy caused by Mycobacterium lepra. So there is a difference between leprosy causative organism as well as tuberculosis causative organism. Tetanus caused by Clostridium tetani. So remember this. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholera. So typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi. So anthrax is caused by Bacillus anthracis. So plague is caused by Verniciae pestis. Botulism caused by Clostridium botulinum. So this is about causative organisms. Cyanobacteria, which is said to be a blue-green algae. So we all know about it. Perform oxygenic photosynthesis. So first organism on the earth to liberate oxygen. So this is about that. So food reserve in cyanobacteria. So reserve of the food in the cyanobacteria is in the form of cyanophyllin starch. So in cyanobacteria, sexual reproduction is absent. Remember this point. Asexual reproduction with the help of Hermogonia. So remember this point. Spirulina is said to be a single cell protein. So it is a mostly asked question. So Trichodesma erythraeum, which is an impart red color to the Red Sea. So this is the cause to the Red Sea, means which look like a red sea, means red color is due to this Trichodesma erythraeum. So Anabina is a symbiotic association with Azolla. So Arulosauria inoculated in the rice field as a fertilizer. Nostoc, which is an symbiotic association with this Cycas. So diatoms, dinoflagellates, euglenoids are a photosynthetic protista. So remember this is a protista. Not so guys, diatoms, which is said to be a chrysophyte, bivaluated silicaceous cells around the body. So dinoflagellates are mesokaryotic nucleus. So guys, in mostly the questions arises from these dinoflagellates and diatoms types. So focus on these points. So euglenophysis, which is connecting link between the plant and animals. So mixotropic nutrition is found in this euglenophysis. So longitudinal binary fission takes place. So trypanosoma trypsoma gambusian, which is an artificial seeping sickness spread through tessi fly. So this is an insect for that spread for this. So Entamoeba histolytica, which is said to be a monogenetic parasite, not a digenetic parasite. Remember this point. Many times a neat question arises in this point, based on this point, whether it is a monozygotic parasite, genetic parasite, yeah. So it's a digenetic parasite. Just focus on sporozoan, which is a parasitic and lack contractile vacuole. Plasmodium vivax, which is causes malaria. So incubation period for this is 14 days. Remember this incubation period too. Plasmodium falciparum, which is a malignant tertian malaria. Incubation period here it is at 12 days. So Paramecium, which is a ciliated transversal binary fission, takes place through this. So white rust crucifers, which is caused by this albigo candidata. So light blast of potato caused by this. So earlier blast is caused by this. So aspergillus produced by aflatoxin. So breaker yeast caused by S. cerevisiae. So claviceps purpurae caused by this. LSD obtained this. Black rust of wheat caused by this, and loose smut of west caused this, Ustilago. Red rot in sugarcane caused by this, Colostridium. So Tika disease of the groundnut is caused by this, Seriosporus persistenta, which is difficult to pronounce. So food reserve in the fasciophysis, which is a mantle as well as laminaria. So aquatic forms, which is caused by salvinia and all this. So largest ovule, egg and sperm, which is said to be present in this cycas. Coralloid roots, which are present in cycas, which is shows a symbiotic association with the nostoc as well as anabena. So winged seeds and winged pollen grains are present in the spinous. So Jinkajo, which is a living fossil. Theory of inheritance acquired characters, which is given by Lamarck. Theory of natural selection, which is given by Charles Darwin. So book of origin species is given by Darwin. Industrial melanism and sick cell anemia, which is example for this natural selection. So Hugo de Varius mutation theory on Lamarckian. So ontogens receptacle phylogen, which is given by Haeckel. So homologous organ, which is said to be a divergent, common origin, a different function. So remember this point, guys. This is most frequently asked question. Homologous organ and analogous organ. This is many times the question arises through this based on these points. Whether homogeneous is divergent or convergent, the question might be arises like that. So be clear idea about homologous organ as well as analogous organ. Homologous organ means common organs are present, origin is present, the origin is the same origin but a different function, but it shows in a different function. Whereas in analogous organ, different organ, similar function. So guys, viruses, which is a connecting link between a living as well as non-living organisms. So Euglena, which is a connecting link between plants and animals. So Neophyllum, which is a connecting link between annelidan and molluscan. So these are the connecting links. So most important to remember. So these are the important points to remember and note. So guys, a gram staining, which is the cell are stained or with a crystal violet, and discovery of the cell, which is given by Robert Hooke. So this is important to note, and many questions were asked from this Robert Hooke based on who discovered the cell. Like this question may arise. So discovery of cell theory was given by Swadden and Swan. So remember this also. Many times from since 2000 to 2019 a question arises from this point based on this point too. So be focused on it. Zygote, which is a synapsis, not another thing, so don't be confused. So pactin, which is a crossover between the non-sister chromatin of the homologous chromosome. So remember this point too. So diplotin, which is a chiasmata formation. So guys, this is all about the 100 important points for the NEET 2020. So if you like the video, please do like.